Yes, student, in this video we will start discussing some more question related to linear momentum. The question is given as a car of mass 1500 kg traveling at 25 meter per second collides with another car of mass 1000 kg traveling at 15 meter per second in the same direction. After collision, the velocity of car A becomes 20 meter per second. Calculate the velocity of car B. Obviously, this whole question is related to the concept of conservation of linear momentum. Now, first car I have given as MA, mass of A is 1500 kg. Initial velocity of first car is 25 meter per second. Mass of B is 1000 kg. Initial velocity of B is 15 meter per second. Now after collision, the final velocity of first car is 20 meter per second and final velocity of second car B car is we have to find. Now I have applied the conservation of linear momentum. What is that? MA UA plus MB UB is equal to MA VA plus MB VB. Now mass is given as 1500 kg in multiplied by 25 meter per second initial velocity of first car. Mass of B is 1000 kg multiplied by 15 meter per second is equal to mass of first car is 1500. The final velocity is 20 meter per second, that is multiplied by 20 plus 1000 into VB. VB we have to find. Now the multiplication of this one is 37,500, this one is 15,000 and this one becomes 30,000 and this is 1000 V. So total is 52,500. I have changed the side, this becomes minus is equal to 1000 VB. So this final result is 25 meter per second. That is the final velocity of second car, name as VB. Yes, another question is the bullets of mass 10 gram each is fired from a gun of mass 10 kg. The muzzle velocity of the bullet is 100 meter per second and the recoil velocity of the gun is 10 meter per second. Find the number of bullets that is coming out from the gun. Here the muzzle velocity means the moment the bullet comes out, that is known as the muzzle velocity, and the recoil velocity, the moment the bullet is fired, the gun moves backside. Now initially both the gun and the bullets are at rest. Mass of the gun is 10 kg, mass of the bullet is 10 gram, that is 10 by 1000 kg. Initially both the gun and bullets are at rest, therefore UG is equal to 0, UB is also equal to 0. Now just the moment the bullet is fired, the velocity of gun is 10 meter per second. Since it is recoil velocity, therefore it will become negative, minus 10 meter per second. Velocity of bullet is equal to 100 meter per second. Now we will apply the principle of conservation of linear momentum, that is mg UG plus mb UB, that is the initial momentum of whole system, that is the bullet and the gun, is equal to mg VG plus mb VB, that is the final momentum of the whole system, that is bullet and gun. The initial linear momentum is 0 as both the bullets and the guns are initially at rest. Now the final momentum mg into VG, mass of the gun is given as 10 kg and mass of the bullet is given, velocity of the gun is given as 10 meter per second. Since it is recoil velocity, therefore I have kept here negative sign. MB, mass of the bullet is 10 gram, that is 10 by 1000 and velocity of the bullet is 100 meter per second, and n number of bullets are coming out because lot of bullets are coming out at the time of fire. I have supposed this as n. So this 10 into 10 is 100. I have changed the side and this is 10 by 1000 into 100. So 10 by 1000 into 100 multiplied by n. Or this is completely cancelled. So n is equal to 100. That is 100 bullets are coming out. Okay.